Life is not easy, it has to be made easy. You must have heard a song from the movie Avatar. That's how much grief is there in the world. It's not just the song but the real truth of life. We always complain that I am lacking in something or I do not have it. But no person understands that this is the truth of life, that no human has ever become perfect. There is definitely something missing in it. A person does not bring everything from birth or does not become complete. He tries to make himself complete on the basis of his thinking and ability. Friends, most of the people keep looking for the shortcoming of others. Find your own drawbacks. Friends, most of the people keep looking for the shortcoming in others, due to which they can never make themselves complete. If you want to be successful, first you have to make yourself perfect. You have to find flaws in yourself. You have to accept your own mistake. Only then you will be able to stand yourself on the path of success. Make your weakness into your strength. Friends, every human has some weakness, due to which they find themselves lagging behind in the race of their life. But should it really happen? No. In this world, many such souls have been born whose weakness or life will not make us aware of our weakness. But in spite of such weakness, they never give up in their life and come to the count of successful humans. In this, we have been able to name the world-famous cartoonist Walt Disney. When it comes to the cartoon world, Walt Disney name comes at the top. He was having the learning disability. His success was not easy. He used to try and fail to do many things in his life. But Walt did not give up on his failure. He also started his business several times but failed miserably in it. Their failure cannot be counted. He wanted great success, so made his disability his strength and did not stop using his creative ideas. The history of his failure is very frightening. It is believed that he failed about 300 or more times, but he did not give up and created different history. Walt Disney used to say, if you can dream it, you can do it. That's, if you can dream, you can also fulfill it. Whatever may be the weakness, but if you have the courage to do something big, then you can definitely be successful. If you too will make your weakness your strength and try to overcome them instead of cursing, then nothing can stop you from being successful. In the end, I would like to say that life is not easy, it has to be made easy.